21st April 2025. We are Orion Engineering Company. This is the packing video and the checking video of Abdullah door Kneader AE900A for this Daraz order. The machine is okay from all the sides. It comes with a metal plate which is placed inside, a plastic plate which is an extra blade, a measuring glass, instruction manual. The machine is okay from all the sides. There are no damages. We will show you from the bottom. There you can see. Then it is packed in its genuine carton, which has a thermopore at the bottom, a thermopore at the top. The machine has started. It will automatically stop when the timer comes to the off position. This is the timer. You can see it has very little sound level. It easily kneads dough within 5 minutes. Its stainless steel tub can easily be taken out and washed with water and then placed back inside. There you can see the machine has automatically stopped, so it is working perfectly okay. There are no damages, and we are packing it in as per Daraz packaging guidelines. All its accessories are being placed inside its tub, and the machine will now be placed inside its genuine carton. round cutting is almost complete, and now it will be packed in bubble wrap as per the last packaging guideline. किया इसमें तुमने बोला आपको क्या सेंड करो रेट में किसको तेरे को अगर ऐसा होता तेरे को नहीं आता तो किया बस बोले मतलब आपने नहीं किया होगा और तुमने ये कहा कि और भी कोई है सीरीज बस भाई अभी बाद में लगाते रहना टेप पे नाउ द शिपिंग लेबल इज बीइंग अप्लाइड ऑन इट ये लो packaging is complete. You can see we are Orion Engineering Company in Karachi. Thank you.